Welcome to 4-Minute Answers. Well, the new year is upon us, and in the spirit of New Year's resolutions, I wanted to share with you the 5 reasons that Notion is the best organization and productivity tool out there. Again, for the 4th year running. And there is a new 6th reason that will blow you away. Notion supercharges my life and can supercharge yours as well. Here we go. Number 1, reason 1, Notion is incredibly flexible. Are you looking for a to-do list, a habit tracker, a project management tool, a collaboration platform for your team, a website, an organizer, a file management system, an editorial calendar? Well, these are just some of the things that Notion can do. Notion may be the most flexible app out there. Yes, you can buy a series of very specific apps for any of these tasks, but why would you when Notion does it all? Notion is incredibly flexible. Reason number 2. Notion is infinite. Okay, maybe this is an overstatement, but I have yet to hear of someone hitting the limits of Notion. If you think of a database laid out like a spreadsheet, in Notion you could have 100 rows. No, 1,000 rows. No, 10,000 rows or more. And how many columns? 100? 1,000? 10,000 more? There seems to be no end, and that's not all. Each of the items in your rows can have a page. And each of these pages can have their own detailed 100,000 word document or a database that has even databases behind it. It is infinitely wide and infinitely long and infinitely deep. Where else do you find that? Notion is infinite. Reason number 3, Notion has incredible templates. One of the challenges with Notion is knowing how to start, but between Notion itself and dozens of other Notion template creators, you can easily get a template to get you started. Notion's template library is tremendous. Reason number 4, Notion has incredible YouTube resources. Yes, there is our channel, but you can watch other creators who use Notion and show their workflows. Check out how others use Notion to get inspiration for your approach. The resources on YouTube are fantastic. Reason number 5, Notion is priced right. You can get Notion for free and get most of the functionality, although there is a 5 megabyte limitation on file uploads. Or you can get the Personal Plus membership for $48 a year or $8 per month. That gives you file uploads of a limited size, and this is what I use because file management for me is one of the things I use Notion for. But they also have business and enterprise plans for teams, for collaboration purposes, and with even the enterprise plan, it's only $20 a month. You won't find a better deal. And you can stop paying for Todoist or Monday or Evernote or Asana or any of these other apps because Notion is priced right. Now there is this bonus 6th reason I mentioned, but here are the first 5 reasons quickly in review. Notion is flexible, Notion is infinite, Notion has incredible templates, Notion has fantastic YouTube resources, and Notion is priced right. And here is reason number 6 that Notion can supercharge your life. Notion AI is coming. Notion is rolling out an upgrade to add artificial intelligence to the app. If you need help starting a blog post, Notion AI, a meeting agenda, a job description, even a poem, just tell Notion what you need and it will get something started for you. Let's call it draft 1.0. But it is so much easier to start with a draft than with a blank sheet of paper. Now, I'm still on the waiting list for it, and it wouldn't surprise me if Notion decided that Notion AI is not in the free plan, but this is incredibly exciting. Now, if you're new to Notion, I suggest watching this video to help you get started in the best possible way. Notion is incredible, but it can be overwhelming, so checking out this video will help you to find what you want Notion to do, and then you'll be able to create Notion in exactly the way that is the most helpful for you. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and check out this video right here.